math. Um, just looking at it, the answer is going to be right here. You got the uh, sine chart, the 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, whatever it is there, Stubatoa chart. What 2 pi is an integral of a degree this much. I know it's a little autistic reading the tea leaves like that, but what you're saying, let's see if we can zoom in here and keep it quiet. What we're saying is I'm equal to an integral of that angle over 0, and that would make this anything indicated on the wave function close to 1, right? When we get down here to what gamma is actually what that symbol is, I do believe. Gamma radiation gravitational sigma is 1 minus electricity, whatever number little sigma is here, in the form of having an operator right here. That operator is important. I usually talk about myself. I like to be right there while listening to math classes or dealing with the time function, because gamma delivered by the gamma e to the, yeah, and so what I'm going to give you is just a portion of the daily weekly, maybe the daily hourly. I'm tracking my screen time by hours, or if I'm tracking it by the weeks, it kind of makes a difference about what that angle would look like based on height. If we're gonna say, well, arc sine and minor arc sine, they're still sine 30, right? But you're saying the angle, or well, the opposite, the adjacent there. But you're saying that therefore a long arc sine is the same math as a minor arc sine. Once you just did the long arc side of it, what's the rest of the circle? Well, it's the major arc sine or minor arc sine, depending on what's left over. And so you'll get, 1/2, 2/3, three-fourths, 5. But there's actually more complicated multimetrics too. Once we started determining those grids with high and low time, at least, not necessarily that they're charged or they have spin or magnetism, it's just that that spin magnetism has a law of attraction to it if things are lined up on such that frequency, high and low, or how that starts to wind out, or whatever equation you have. Well, for me, again, it's going to be multi-domain. That's fx. You just reduce it down to the deflationary term, clang, right to that corner.